I'm George Woods, and this is my ME2900 prototype project. So my prototype is a robotic arm that's able to be controlled by the user. And so the components we have 3 servos on the arm itself. This bottom one turns it, and these upper 2 servos are able to adjust the vertical position. Then we have a keypad. This controls the top 2 servos. And then we have a rotary encoder, which so every time you spin that one notch, it adds or subtracts 10 degrees to the base servo, depending on which way you spin it. We have a blue LED here that indicates the code is on and running and that it's plugged in. And then an RGB LED, so when you go outside of that, when you spin the rotary encoder too far, you'll be outside of the range that's able to be positioned by the base servo. So when you go too far to either side, this RGB LED will change from green to red. Now I'll plug the arm in, and so it sets the position of all 3 servos to 0 degrees. And then blue light turns on, as I was saying, indicates that the code is running and it's getting power. So then when we spin the rotary encoder, this will turn the arm itself. And then when we go too far, so we're at 0 degrees, then once we go, we're trying to tell it -10, so it turns this red LED on and it won't move. But then once I turn it back, we're able to move it again. And then the 1 and 3 adjust the position of this servo right on top of there. So as I press 3, it goes up, and 1 moves it back down. And then 6 will move this last servo down, and then 4 will move that back up. And that is my ME2900 prototype project.